In order to master a skill, you have to practice, and that goes for free motion quilting. So grab a sketchbook and try some free motion quilting designs on paper. Sketch first, then stitch. I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. In October of 2019, Dara challenged the quilting world to a doodle challenge, and I took her up on that. It's a great time to practice. Here we'll look at the prompts from October 11th through the 21st. Day 11, we drew clouds. I was trying to keep everything connected as I moved across the page and fill the space with some variety of designs. We moved into hearts. I've drawn a lot of hearts, so I did a border design, I did it all over meandering, tried to build them with curves, a feathered heart, echo hearts, lots of variations there for day 12. Day 13 was scales. So this first heart was just literal, like dragon scales or snake skin. Then I moved into size and then ended with my musical background of scales or steps. Day 14 is rectangle. So try some square meandering, then fill the rectangles, and again trying to get that all over design without lifting the pen. Day 15 was crisscross. So I did some X's back and forth, some different designs that were inspired by crisscross. And then I got into that pretzel motif. That's a little bit of a challenge. Day 16, the prompt was vines. On the left, I started at the bottom and drew my leaf shape moving up the page, which was pretty easy. And then I tried to vary the leaf design. We moved into feathers. Again, I've practiced a lot of feathers over the years I've been quilting and just tried a variety of petals on my feather page. Day 18 was a lot of fun, clamshells. So just take that idea of sashiko hills, and Dara's extra challenge was to quilt 10 different designs or sketch 10 different designs inside those clamshells. So you can see a lot of variety as I tried to fill the shape with different designs. Day 19, we looked at shadows. So I used that heart shape to create a shadow. A friend of mine has a dog whose name is Shadow, so I put the paw prints in. We get shadows from cloudy days and from the beach umbrella. Day 20, the prompt is wall. Brick wall with some leaves, different wood grain textures. That's a lot of fun to do. And then I just sketched a quick house and used some different textures there. Finally, day 21 was water. And I used some wavy lines, a picture of water, and then rain on a window. Finally, some ocean waves with fish. Click on the video below to see some actual free motion quilting with needle and thread, and subscribe to this channel. I'm back every week with more videos about quilting and all my tips and tricks. See you next time.